everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at KEEL Infrastructure. This is ticker KEEL. Now, I got to shout out Tom over at our sister service, Crypto Market Mentor, because Tom chatted about this one today in our active trading room. And it's a stock that I looked at a while ago, but definitely needed a catch up because I like the pattern that KEEL is showing. It's a pretty clear cup with handle pattern, and it's building its handle right now. And even though the market was down, this stock showed a decent amount of relative strength and a lot of shares traded. Over 63 million shares of this stock were traded, and it's a low dollar stock. It's only a $6 stock. And so this is something that I think is, something anyone could buy. Doesn't matter how big your account is. As Dan Fitzpatrick would say, you can trade it like a millionaire when it's a low dollar stock. And so I definitely see that cup pattern, and it's handling out right now. And I see a pretty clear downward sloping trend line where there's definitely a seller up in the 630, 640 range. But if it can get above and stay above 635 and close above 635, then I think you could have a trade here with near-term support down around the 8-day and 21-day exponential period moving averages for your risk. And so that's the pattern that I'm watching here on KEEL Infrastructure, and it's just one of many stocks we're following over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.